One more interesting thing, let me tell about my country. Most places in India and in Mumbai, the shopkeeper is not there. He has gone somewhere to deliver things. But the shop is open. You can see. I can enter inside. The shop is open. The things are lying here. Even the money is there. So no one comes and drops anything from this. The shop is open. The guy has gone somewhere. He will come and he will come and help buying things. But till that time, I won't enter. You can see the calculator is here. The machine is here. The machine is here. The calculator is here. Everything is open. The things are here, but no one will come and enter the shop and drop the things. That's about my country and especially about Mumbai. Very safe. The shopkeeper can keep the shop open and go and come back. Hello, good morning friends. After a long time I'm taking a video because nowadays it is raining and I don't have much work, so my work is come to a standstill because of the rain. So my work has come to a standstill because of the rain, and this is the place where I live. So today, just I go to the market and buy some chicken, and my wife told me to buy some garlic. So this is the place where I live. What I love this place is, you see lot of greenery, lot of trees here. So that's why I love this place, and today I'm carrying an umbrella and also a bag because I don't want to use plastic. So you can see a lot of greenery here. So I always take a carry bag so that I don't use plastic bags. And as I said, because I love greenery, so a lot of trees in my area. So we are going for shopping. It's drizzling. It's not raining. Beautiful place. I thought, why not today? I go in the market, buy some chicken. I'll make some chicken cutlets and let us see some cutlet curry. So today's vlog is just on my visit to these places. If at all you are a vegetarian, you can skip half of the video. The starting video you can just watch it because it's about the market and all that. The rest of the video you can just skip it. So here is the guy who is cleaning it. So here we buy. So as soon as I came out, I met my old friend. So we are childhood friends, and he stays here in this building. Or his name is Shinde, Mr. Shinde. Chalo. Chal, and as I said, we buy some fruits here. केसर है ना?
चौंसा, केसर के भाई बहुत मीठा।
क्या नाम?
चौंसा,
Saunsa. He's saying Saunsa, then plum, dragon fruit, apple, pears, papaya, and guava, Peru. And this guy also my friend. He's also having a lot of things he has covered and kept. So I always buy from them. What I saw here, can you see this? Can you hear me? You can see this girl. So dangerous. I don't recommend this because it's so dangerous. So not good for the child. And this is the market. So we walk through the market. You get flowers, garlands, some puja items here. It's a nice place to walk around. Evenings are very good. One day I'll take a video during the night time. It looks very good. And here is jamun. This is called jamun. This is good for diabetes. It's a garbage van. And I'm walking on the road because there is no other option. And this is my vegetable guy. Hi, Chintu. So he sells all vegetables here. All fresh. So I buy from this guy. All fresh vegetables. It's a drumstick, okra. Yeah. So many things. Cucumber, beetroot, we call aula, the strawberry, carrots, then bitter gourd, limbu, cabbage, tomatoes, beans. So many things. See, he is looking at very nice guy. Very nice guy. So many things he gives. See. So always I buy from him. Very nice. Always smiling whole day. कितना बजे उठता है? So this guy कितना बजे बोला सुबह जाते हैं दादर? 5 o'clock. He goes 5 o'clock in the morning to Dadar, comes here, gives all the vegetables. और आपको 11 बजे 11 o'clock he closes it. So just imagine morning 5 till 11 he won't be sleeping, he will be here. So now we are proceeding to the market to buy chicken and what is it? Garlic, yes. So again I have started the video with the market. Lot of fruit stalls here, vegetable and fruits. Everything you get here. If you want your glasses, there is an optic shop here. And then a medical, this is where I buy my pharmacy, that is medicines. The vegetable here guy, there are 2 pharmacies here, but this is my guy here. So I'll take a separate video on that. So this is my pharmacy guy, Ganesh Medicals. So I buy my pharmacy here. Sometimes I buy vegetables here if I don't get some exotic vegetables, you get it here. Then here again optics, then some dress. Oh, we will take some aloo vadi also. Hi, some friends. I have lot of friends here. So electrical shop here, you get fans and all, ceramics, wash basins, commodes here. There's a wash basin, commodes, all that. Flower. And this guy is very famous. I don't know why they put the garbage here. That's very sad. But this guy is very famous for idli and dosa. Then what to show you? Here you get ice cream and milk and yogurt and all that. Also this shop also very famous for sweets. Chitore, it's called Chitore. Very old company which they make sweets. And this is the Rajcraft where I get my art material. I and my daughter, we get the art material here. And again the vegetables guy here. Now we will cross the road. You have to cross it. In India, you have to be very careful when you cross the road. I have not ever met with an accident, but you have to be careful. So guys, this is like a supermarket here, and here you get the chart. You can see the chart here. So lot of charts you get here. It's also very famous. Again a furniture shop. There's a furniture shop. Again a pharmacy and vegetable vendors. So many, you can see on the other side, so many vegetable vendors are there. And here you get the cake, Iyengar Bakery, vegetarian. So all vegetarian items. The cakes are here, the beautiful cakes. And chips and all that, all vegetarian. This is my friend's shop. Hi, my friend's shop. Renovation mein hai? Acha. This is where I frame my paintings, but it is under renovation. They are doing some renovation over here. Here also one more supermarket, like small supermarket. Here you get children's raincoat and all other things. Nice place actually. So while returning, we'll walk on the other side. We'll walk on the right. Here I buy my eggs. This guy here. So here is my egg fellow. Not only egg, we get spices. So these spices, they come from Tamil Nadu and Kerala. And I buy my egg from this guy. His name is Vicky. And this also very famous. So I may buy, let me see, garlic. Oh, they have garlic here. Let me buy garlic. Let me keep it here. ये देंगे हाँ इसमें निकालो क्या चलेगा
क्या है?
गार्लिक है अरे देना जरा
कितना लेना है?
आधा किलो कितना
आधे किलो 100 रुपया।
एक ही क्वालिटी है ना ये आपके पास एक ही क्वालिटी सो हाफ के जी 100 रुपीज़
क्या चीज़? बेकिंग सोडा है 100 ग्राम।
So I got half kg garlic. Perfect. I saw something new here. Let me show you what it is. Let me keep this in this.
राजेश मशीन भी चालू कर देना
And friends, what I saw here. So first time I'm seeing this. This is the mustard. And they take the oil here. This is the oil here. He's removing it. And then you get the mustard cakes. So this is the mustard cake. After the oil is extracted, you get the mustard cake. So this is, and here is they remove the oil here. You get the oil here, this one. You get the oil from here. And first time I'm seeing this. Very interesting thing. Now here, there is a church here. Now this is a church. Very old it is. It's called Rosary Church. Church of Our Lady of Rosary. And there's a school. Just behind that there's a school over there. Here is also a chicken shop. I hope you are loving this small market tour of my place, Goregaon. Again the furniture. A lot of furniture here. There's a hardware and ceramic. Here also you get garlic and all that. The temple frame guy. Samosas here. And so now we are going to buy chicken. So friends, if you are a vegetarian, I would like you to skip this video. I like to skip, if you are vegetarian, you skip this video. So this is Star. It's a very old one. I always buy from this guy. So here you get all frozen items like chicken. You get pork here, chicken, sausages, everything you get here. And then there are some items which like light meat tuna. This all items you get here, see here. Cocktail, smoked franks, momos, ready to fry, chicken Lucknowi kebabs. So many things you get here. These are some local spices here. Chicken masala and all that. So very interesting shop. This is sausages. See, this is Goan sausages. This comes from Goa. I think it is pork. So here Christians, they eat pork. Lot of Christians here in this area. And this is how it looks. One more interesting thing, let me tell about my country, most places in India and in Mumbai, the shopkeeper is not there. He has gone somewhere to deliver things. But the shop is open. You can see. I can enter inside. The shop is open. The things are lying here. Even the money is there. So no one comes and robs anything from this. The shop is open. The guy has gone somewhere. He will come and he will come and help buying things. But till that time, I won't enter. You can see the calculator is here. The machine is here. The machine is here. The calculator is here. Everything is open. See, the things are here. But no one will come and enter this shop and rob the things. That's about my, about my country and especially about Mumbai. Very safe. The shopkeeper can keep their shop open and go and come back. So the guy has come. You went a delivery ke liye gaya tha? He has come. He had gone for a delivery. मैं बोल रहा था जो ये देख रहा है कि यहाँ पे बम्बई में दुकान खुला छोड़ के जाओ कोई दैट यू कीप द शॉप ओपन नो प्रॉब्लम. अरे चिकन ब्रेस्ट देना मेरे को ना. So I take Baramati. You have different options. See a chicken garlic fingers. Oh, momos. Yeah, दो देना. So this is what I usually. This is a good quality. So I have taken two. कितना हो गया?
550.
So it's 550, 550 rupees. Got my chicken here. He is from Nepal. कहाँ से? नेपाल से? कौन सा जगह?
नेपाल है यूपी का बॉर्डर.
क्या नाम है जगह का?
कैलाली.
हाँ? Kailali. He is from Kailali. Very close to UP border. And my chicken is ready. क्या नाम आपका? Sagar Bist. Oh, I have a friend. He was telling the story about India and Nepal. Nepal had a king. आज भी वो राजा है, लेकिन उसको ज़्यादा पावर नहीं है. So Nepal had a king and British. My friends, they are from Uttaranchal. So he was telling about the history about India and Nepal. Nice guy. You can see Mother Mary and Christ. So he's a Christian. Chalo fir. Okay. Chalo, bye. So now we are heading from here. Now we'll go to the opposite side. The dairy shop, clarified butter you get here. And now we are on the opposite direction. So we are moving in the opposite direction. We are going home now and I will be cooking some cutlets and all that. So this is how it looks from this side. I love this place, let me tell you friends. See the greenery, see the trees here. And there was a time the whole area was covered with trees. And the big trees, they got fungus. See, can you see here? There is a tree here. So this tree got fungus and then they planted another one and now it's grown. So there were big trees here and all the trees got fungus and they died. This is the church which I was mentioning. This is how it looks now. We are returning back. These are the vegetables. So fresh, they are so fresh. It's a fruit shop here. So vegetables, some more vegetables. I don't like honking. Why these people they honk, I don't know. It's so bad, so bad. My friends from other country, see what they do here is they soak the lentils and you get ready-made. Just go and cook. That's all lentils. And all my foreign friends, they say why people honk. Everywhere we can hear, go on hearing people honking. I don't understand. I never honk. I will take a video of my drive in the car and on a motorcycle, you will see me. I never honk. And the guests who have come to me, I'll tell you about myself in another video. It's not today. I don't honk. Some more vegetables here. I'm telling bye to this guy. Chal, Chintu, nahi utha rahe re. Chalo, bye. I told him he's not picky. I called my brother-in-law. Brother-in-law is very happy with this guy. So he wanted to have a word with him. So I called him, but my brother-in-law is not picking up. Heading back after a walk. I wanted to walk also. I love this place. This here you get very nice samosas. We call it the Punjabi samosas. That one which I showed you. So I have some Bank of India customers here. So they are my, I work for Bank of India. It's a bank and they are my customers. Here you get cottage cheese. This is where you get cottage cheese. And let me buy some mangoes from this guy. He says it's very sweet. So he's my mango guy, my fruit guy. चल केले तू बोल रहे तो थोड़ा टेस्ट कर दे. So I'll be buying this one. So this was 120 rupees kg. This is the Gauti pear. ये Gauti वाला है ना? This is the local, not the imported ones. ये भी मेरे को देना. ये आधा किलो ही दे. कैसा आधा किलो? 100 rupees half kg. It's very tasty. So these are our local. It's produced in our country. So it's very tasty. And he is having a weighing machine like this. This is the weighing machine. So this guy, always I buy from him. So friends, I am back. That's my house on the 5th floor. If you see a lot of plants, so that's my house. Every society we have a watchman. Here is the watchman, our watchman. So friends, that was the tour of the market and the things which I bought. I'm heading back to my house. So this is where I live. My motorcycle here. As I told, let me press it and keep. It has gone on the 7th floor. Yes, so that by the time I show you my motorcycle. So this is my motorcycle here. So many people who have not seen it, let me open and show you. Chal, bye. This is my motorcycle. 36 years old. 36 years old. Nice sun. Still I use it. I have to put oil on that because it's raining. And I'm back with the things here. And if at all you like my videos, please do share. And please subscribe. I hope you will love this small video. Thank you very much.